Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video in the View into Huck's World. Today we got a couple of watch faces that we need for you to check out. One is going to be a premium dress-up watch face, and the next one is going to be a casual dress-down watch face. With that being said, let's kick off this watch face. Definitely is a premium watch face. The name of it is called Evoke Racer Sport. Now, this is a watch face that you want to have in your lineup. Remember, it's free for the taking, so download as soon as you can. Now, if you're going to be hitting the board meeting, or you're going to go out, you're going to be ripping up the town, or you're simply just going to be dressing to impress, this is the watch face that you want to have on your wrist, or at least have it in your archives for just in case. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get the same exact look. When this watch face is on, it screams premium all day long, from the analog hands to the smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, and especially looking at the index, screams luxury. Now, you're going to get a Timex type of look to a degree. You're going to get your date right there, and I know you're thinking that's it, right? Not at all. If I double tap, I can't get this to change. See how deep the black gotten? Double tap again, you got a blue color. So if you need to tie this into something blue, something black, you're still good. And let's go back. Now, this is a different type of grayish black color. Not bad. But what do you think, people? I thought the developer did a really good job with this. Gave us a little flexibility with the shades of colors. Not bad at all. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Purple Lines. Don't sleep on this one, you all. It's free for the taking as well in the Gear Manager store. A nice casual dress down watch face. Whether you wear this for the work week and or for the weekend, this is going to be a nice look. The video, trust me, is not going to do it justice. It says Purple Lines, but really it's a red and blue watch face with a nice deep black background. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice analog look, but let's focus on the watch face when it's on. I do like the index, right, which has a premium taste to it, considering that this is more so a casual watch face to a degree, considering the way that it looks. Now, up at the top, you are going to get your date, your month. You're going to also get the day of the week. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery percentage. Now, I like the fun looking hands, and amazingly, they got a nice smooth second hand going around the bezel of the watch as well. That looks very nice. Now, if I tap here, I can bring up my calendar. If I tap down at the bottom, I can find my phone. And if I tap right here, I can bring up my music player. And if I tap right here, I can bring up the weather. So it gives you the basic essentials, but I think it's nice. No, you can't tap into your S-Health or anything like that. But at some point, people, at some point, you gotta take a break. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Share this on social media. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna see you all again at the next video. Take care.